Welcome to Dr. Rob's Solutions. My name is Dr. Robert Whitfield. We're going to talk about my immunity support bundle and why it's important for you to use it. So immune support is incredibly important in this time of the pandemic. So our antioxidant pathway needs to be supported. So taking things in addition to vitamin C, like our mitochondrial support, will give you a boost of energy and be more protective for you. The methylation pathway is something that's kind of poorly understood, and people talk about genes and things like MTHFR, but if we have better methylation, then we use our B vitamins better and we'll have more energy. The vitamin D3 and K2 is important for maintaining immune function. We many times are deficient in vitamin D, so we'll add vitamin D3 and K2 so we'll better utilize it to increase our utilization of calcium, which helps in all of our immune system function, as well as adding magnesium to support us in that as well. Magnesium, think of magnesium as something that's very important in muscle function and other cellular functions. And then finally, liposomal glutathione, when we think of that, it really helps detoxify. And we're always threatened by more and more toxins all the time in our environment. So very important in immune function is to have glutathione. This is my pre and post-op bundle. And so I get asked a lot what I recommend around the time of surgery. And so what we've done is curate the supplements and basically try to make it as straightforward as possible around the time of surgery. So you can begin this 2 to 4 weeks before surgery, you can carry it up to 4 months after surgery, you can start it anytime it's safe. And so we have our GI Refresh, our Ultra P protein, and those are things specifically for the gut. So I always ask that my patients increase their dietary protein intake. And so we found that a really gentle way to do that is using the pea protein. So we recommend using Ultra P protein as part of your diet, not as a substitute for a meal, but in addition to. GI Refresh, think of, at this time, we want the gut function to be optimized. So this helps heal the lining. It's really gentle and can be added to a shake or a smoothie when you have the pea protein. And then the rest are our supplements, and they're geared towards supporting immune function, increasing wound healing, and then helping with detox. Our detox supplement will have both zinc and alpha lipoic acid, and then our other immune support, those are traditional in terms of vitamin D3, K2, with liposomal glutathione as well. And then we have magnesium, bisglycinate, which is our preferred method to deliver magnesium. It helps both with muscular function as well as sleep at night. And then our other methylation supplements and mitochondrial support supplements are valuable in terms of increasing and improving cellular function and recovery and boosting energy. So this is my sleep support bundle, and so sleep is incredibly important. If we don't get enough sleep, our circadian rhythm gets thrown off. We never really recover because you have to sleep in order to have your recovery from both your mitochondria and your cells, and especially in your brain. So if we don't get enough deep sleep, especially, the fluid that actually bathes the brain and helps clean up the debris from the day doesn't actually happen. So we have 3 things for sleep. One is magnesium bisglycinate. That is the magnesium that will help you go to sleep. The actual getting off to sleep is augmented by our 5-HT containing supplements. That will help you get off to sleep. And then to stay asleep, we use our melatonin sustained release supplement, because that will help keep you asleep through the night. We don't want you waking up at 1 or 2 in the morning and then trying to get back off to sleep. We want you to sleep all the way through the night. This is my 2-week detox plan. So for 2 weeks, we'll have you do things to really help detox your GI tract with the GI cleanse. And then we always want to increase dietary protein. We find a gentle way to do that is using our Ultra P protein. And then other ways to detox, our body detox, that has vitamins and minerals in it, especially zinc, to help with detox. And then the liposomal glutathione and glutathione assist will further help you in the detox process. This is my female hormone support bundle. FemStim. So this one will help us with promoting actual improvement in desire, pleasure, It'll have ingredients like ginkgo biloba in it. It'll help increase blood flow. And then this, in terms of supporting our metabolism, this supplement will help us in terms of hormone metabolism support, so that both the estrogen and testosterone metabolism are balanced. And then finally, the thyroid, we always want to optimize its function to make all of these others work collectively better. This is my male hormone support bundle. And so, like many males, I've went through menopause. And so we need more testosterone as we age. This actually, the hormone synthesis supplement actually helps us build up more testosterone. And then both balancing out our thyroid and improving our metabolism are important to having more free testosterone, which is what we need to maintain lean body mass, have improved libido, increase concentration, have more energy. So this is my male support bundle. This is my stress support bundle. So there's lots of situational anxiety. Day to day, we deal with a lot of anxiety. So for situational anxiety, we use the liposomal formulation, so you can just carry that around with you. A few drops under your tongue, help calm you down, increase the GABA in your brain. On a daily basis, we can take GABA. That will help us with that, just supporting the neurotransmitter. And then Stress Assist has both additional GABA and other nutrients like glycine to further support and calm us. This is my anti-aging bundle. So it's the largest that we have. And for me, I really feel like inflammation is one of the main factors in aging. So things that we can do to reduce inflammation are included in this bundle. Things that support our adrenal function, our brain function, things that help us detoxify better while improving protein in our diet and collagen in our diet are included in this anti-aging bundle. This is my brain fog bundle. I need this every day. So start off with our pea protein. We add that to our shake or smoothie in the morning. We also want omega-3s because that improves our function. We want to use something to help produce more GABA, and that calms us. The kind of situational anxiety that bothers us can be reduced with that. And then we need something like this to go ahead and give us that kick in the morning, just like our coffee.